Okay, so we are building lofts today for our guinea pig and rabbit shed. They need to be about 85 1/4 inch wide and about, 18 inches deep so I can hold a bale of hay. That was our goal, and there's some bins that we have that are 18 inches wide. So I have got my wood cut. I went ahead and cut 4 2x4s to 85 1/4. And I've cut the smaller pieces to 15 inches because I am accounting for the fact that there's about 3-inch width of these things. So I am going to attach these and yeah. Okay, so here it is. I've got it all screwed in. Ideally, you want to use a square to make sure these are all square, but I didn't have a lot of trying to kind of just whip things together, and it's for a shed, so I don't really care. It should be fine. So I'm going to bring these all over and mount this in the shed. So this is what happens when your loft is exactly the right size. You end up having to hammer it a little bit to get it to squeeze in just perfectly. It's a little tricky. Once you've done that, you're just going to attach the loft to the studs of the shed using a 3-inch screw. I actually started with 2-inch ones and had to swap them out, realizing it was not correct. But I usually add quite a few just because I feel like more is more. Okay, so now it is like this. All I have to do is pop my plywood, or not plywood, I think this is OSB, I don't know. I can't remember what it's called. But I went for a cheap panel of wood because it's in a shed and I don't need it to look pretty. So that's gonna go up here, and so that way we can put stuff on top of it. Okay, so now that it's up there, I am going to go attach it down. I don't really need to do that. I think it'd be fine. But I'm probably just going to put a couple of screws in just to keep it stable. Because why not? Yeah. If I'm going to build lofts, and it's going to be easy and cheap, but I'm going to build two, so I have extra storage space. So this is the other side. And again, I wanted to make sure my lofts didn't block too much light. Because again, it's a shed and there's not a lot of light anyways, and I specifically bought the windows, so there'd be some light in here. So kind of defeats the purpose if I block it all. But I just needed it wide enough to hold a bale of hay because both the rabbits and the guinea pigs do eat hay. And it just makes it easier than running back and forth from the barn where I keep the horse hay and stuff. They eat the same stuff. But I can just pop a bale in here, and I can put some of my therapy supplies in here as well. So that's all there is. Pretty simple. Pretty cheap to do right now because the 2x4 prices has gone down. Yay. So pretty happy with this. Very excited to have this part finished. It was a very quick project. So take care. So here they are, the final look. This is them when they're nice and neat, and this is them when I started putting stuff on them. Hope this was helpful. Make sure to check out my blog, subscribe to this channel, and have a great day. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.